Oh yeah. Alright, that's enough.
No.
Basically, you zoom in by that thing on the...
Which thing?
That little thing. Or you can do this and just grab the lens itself and twist it there. Just don't touch the lens itself.
Wait.
So guys, TechBiz here. Today, I've got my friend Aidan's PC. And it's pretty rank. And look how terrible it is. Just one front fan, 2 exhaust. He's clearly not got the setup right. So I'm going to be fixing that for him today. So, first things first, I'm going to clean the GPU. Now, he's got an RTX 3060 in here, don't you? And you can talk as well.
Yeah, man.
Oh shit, I nearly broke it. Okay. So yeah, basically, when you're cleaning your PC, you just want to make sure that you get everything out and take as many components out as possible. And yeah, so basically I'm just going to clean the GPU and reapply thermal paste today. So let's start with the GPU. Basically, to take out a GPU, you unscrew here, and then you press down this little latch, and you can just... The hell's wrong with your PC? Yeah.
Nothing.
I think something's wrong. No, here we go. There we go. Maybe I broke it, maybe I didn't. And if you just take a look in those fins, it's very dusty, as you can see. So for that, I'm just going to grab my microfiber cloth here and just wipe inside the fins. Now you want to be quite gentle with the fans and just, yeah, slowly clean them. So just getting the majority of the dust. Yeah, so that got like no dust, so I'm not going to bother with that. Let's just reapply thermal paste today. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. I gotta go get the thermal paste. So basically, Intel stock cooler, pretty easy. To take it off, all you need to do is spin these little things, or pull them out, maybe. Yeah, so he didn't mount his stock cooler right, because like I can still do that.
Hey, I think I mounted it right.
I don't think you fucking did, considering how much it's shaking.
I did mount it right.
No, you didn't.
Because it's screwed in at the back. Wait, no, it isn't. I don't know. I haven't touched it in like 3 years.
Clearly not. That's mounted. That is not.
Oh, there you go. It came out. Yes. Now let's do it with the other ones. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. Oh.
Look at that horrendous application of... Look at that. That's drier than my DMs. Alright, so let me go get my thermal paste and clean this up. Isopropyl alcohol, paper towel.
I wasn't filming.
Oh. You still filming my feed. That's great.
That was an accident.
Alright, so paper towel, isopropyl alcohol, and some thermal paste. This is Arctic MX4. So yeah, first up we are going to remove the old thermal paste. Just grabbing some isopropyl alcohol and just wiping that on the CPU and the cooler. Alright, perfect. Take it off just by going round and round. And look at that nice copper shim there is. Very good. Then we do that with the CPU. I reckon I can get it all done in one go. Alright, and then we're going to just wipe that away. Now you know there was not enough application when it's not even on the sides. So, good job, Aidan.
Not my fault.
What do you mean not your fault? You're the one who broke your own AIO.
It was broken when I bought it.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
Yeah, that's what they all say. In light of watching The Dark Knight recently, we're going to be doing a coin flip. Alright. So, if it's heads, I put in too much thermal paste. If it's tails, I put on the right amount.
I swear to God, mate.
What is it?
It's tails.
Ah,
Let's go.
I'll make my own luck. By the way, that's a head's amount of thermal paste. You're welcome.
Can't do that, mate.
Can't do that, mate. Me.
Shush.
And then we're just going to mount it again. So we twist these back in so that the arrows still got room to move. And then we just simply pop it in place. Push down on each of the pins. Fuck, I hate these coolers. So yeah, it turns out that his CPU cooler was actually broken, so I blame Steven for that. So what I ended up doing was I grabbed a stock cooler and I used that instead. It's not the exact same one, it's like the older model, but it still should do the job and should be fine for the 11400F. And then I'll replace the CPU cooler later with the Peerless Assassin 120 SE, which in my opinion is the best CPU cooler on the market for $47 Australian dollars. It's really quite fantastic. So yeah, let's jump back to the video, but that cooler is broken, and I blame Steven. Alright, so I've come to the conclusion that his cooler's broken.
No, you broke it.
No, fucking Steven broke it before.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so that looks like it's a fair bit of thermal paste, but let me just add a touch more.
No.
Look, I'm just saving you from having me... Actually, I'm replacing the CPU cooler later anyway. Not free of charge though. I do charge money.
Oh my god. I'll pay you $2.
I had $2 headphones.
I remember that.
Hey, you're getting special treatment. I even put a sticker over the Intel sticker. Look, watch. This cooler's going to go in flawlessly. Bang, 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 bang. That's how easy it should be. So yeah, that's your CPU cooler. And then to put your GPU back in, Sigma, all you have to do really is just grab it, fucking line it up with the slot, and crunch.
Jesus.
Crunch.
Jesus.
And you fucking plug it in.
Thinks he's the Joker, mate.
Some say that I am.
No one says that.
I reckon your fucking PC was thermal throttling before, to be honest. Was it?
I don't know what that means.
Do you know what the CPU temperature was at?
Oh, it was like 80 degrees
Yeah.
when I was playing foot champs, and that was seriously damaging me mentally because I hate FIFA.
Alright, now I'm gonna just fucking move this one fan quickly because you don't really want a negative pressure system. So we're just gonna unscrew this one.
What a good guy.
Oh!
Hey, do you have any spare fans per chance? And I'll give you $10.
I do actually. Do you want them?
Yeah, I'll take any donations.
They won't match.
Yeah, but if they're all on the front, you don't see the top ones yet. You know what I mean?
I've got two. So I can put all these in the front and then the two on the back, right?
Yeah. And I'll give you $10.
But you'll see the ones on the two on the back.
Two on the back.
You'll see them.
You can't put two on the back. Right?
No, one here, one here.
Oh, yeah. No, that's fine. Don't even worry about it.
Yeah, but the RGB won't match.
I don't-
How tight are these screws?
Oh, Steven.
Steven. My arms are getting a workout. Oh, fuck.
No, you know what I
Oh,
did?
shit, I only have 9 minutes of filming. Wait, I have a ratchet for a reason. Oh. Fucking serious, man?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna put the camera down right now. Hey, you know the only RGB in my PC is the freaking RAM?
The freaking RAM. Oh, freaking. Wait, are they not RGB?
No.
Oh. Well, hang on. I'm charging more for the RGB fans.
No, you're not, mate.
Yes, I am.
You're such a little...
Arr.
$15.
Each.
Each?
Where the fuck is that? Uh-oh. Hey, I see what you're doing.
Oi!
Hey! That's such a good boy when he's dead. Shut up, Rowan.
Yeah, honestly, all he does is just chat.
Alright, and then all you have to do really is grab your fan. You're going on the wrong side, Buster. Grab your fan. You know these are RGB fans, right?
They're not. I'm convinced they aren't.
Well, I think you're pretty stupid, to be honest.
And if they are, you can prank me tonight. So.
Hank prank.
Yeah. Henry college, year 11. I caught him drinking Summersby's last night. Summersby apple ciders.
Yeah, not on. Not on.
That is underage drinking. I'm not expert in the
That's
law,
not very
but
prefect-elect of you.
yeah, I think might be legal. I don't know. Yeah.
I'm keeping that in the video.
It's getting dark.
It's getting dark, and I have a runny nose. This kid is so special. This is the 24 pins motherboard cable, and he's running it through the frickin' GPU thing
I do want to fix it. Nice.
out the back. So it turns out that there actually was RGB in his computer, and yes, before you mention it, that Peerless Assassin does have the fan on the backside. That's because the RAM was too tall because it's Corsair RGB RAM. So yeah, that didn't work. But the RGB now works, and the airflow works, and the temperatures are now good, sitting at around 50 degrees on the CPU, and 60 under full load. So yeah, it's really good overall. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and as always, I'm TechBiz, and I'm out.